Hello friends, my name is Aisha. We are going to see functions in Python. So functions are group of related statements that perform specific task. Say for example, if we have to define a function, so what we do, we have to use the keyword def and then we have to write the name of the function, whatever we are going to perform the operation. Say I'll be printing hello world or hello with specific username. Then what I have to do is like my function name, my function. So I'll be writing this and then this is very basic function and I'm just going to print say hello. Okay, so now I have to call this function. Unless and until we call this function, it is not going to execute the code. So let's check. So I'm not getting any output, right? Unless and until I call this function, I won't get any output. Okay, so let's call this function. So calling a function is you have to just call this name and open and close parentheses. Okay, so let's execute now. Yes, so now we are getting the output. Okay, so actually functions help us to break our program into smaller and modular chunks. And its main thing is we can reuse the code. Okay, so now we'll see what are arguments. Because see, now this is hello statement. Okay, if I have to pass the name, say I'll be adding first name. Okay, so first name, then I have to print name along with hello keyword. I'll be adding my same parameter here. So this is argument. Arguments are, it can be passed in this function and we can pass as many arguments as we wish to. So here also I have to pass the value of the first name, right? I have to pass the value. So by default I'm setting it now to be, say for example, Swapna. Okay, and let's check the output. Great, now it's showing hello Swapna, right? Okay, so likewise we can add last name to, say last name, and here I'll be concatenating the string. Let's add some space. Okay, and then last name. Let's execute. No, it's showing error. What error it's showing? Let's see the error also. F name is Swapna. Type error, missing one argument, positional argument, L name. So we have to pass the second argument also. In my next video, we'll see how we can do it, because see I have passed two arguments, then I have to set the value of two arguments also. If we don't know how many arguments we are passing, so how to do that we'll be seeing in my next video. Okay.